Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a hair install from, you guys know my favorite, Luvmehair. I don't know if you guys were able to go to their Black Friday sale, but they had buy one get one free when you use code BOGO at checkout. So it was a crazy sale. I absolutely love Luvmehair. And do remember, whenever you're shopping from Luvmehair, make sure it's the actual Luvmehair site, because I've had women in my comments and they're like, oh, my hair didn't look like yours. And I'm like, well, for one, I always customize my units, and do be sure you're ordering from the actual Luvmehair, because I am a Luvmehair advocate. Like, I absolutely love Luvmehair. Every wig that you guys see on my YouTube, like in my Instagram, is probably like Luvmehair, and I absolutely love it. But today we're gonna be installing this 613 hair. It's beautiful. It was beginner friendly, super easy. I did glue it down, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. Today we're actually going to be installing this blonde wig. I'm gonna just quickly insert a clip of what it looked like, because it was more of like a yellowy, you know, like a traditional 613. And I ended up going in with the purple shampoo, as you guys are going to see. Within that purple shampoo, I just put it into like a bowl. I put it in like a bowl with water and just dip the hair. I have the footage for you guys, but that's what I did to the hair. I don't know if you guys shopped the Luvmehair Black Friday sale, but it was like a buy one get one free type of thing, so definitely nothing that you wanted to miss. But this is what the hair looks like. I don't know what I want to do. I think maybe a part to the side, because it's something that I normally don't do, but this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna need to pull it down onto my face more. Okay, so I think I want to go in and add some powder. I hope that this doesn't mess it up, but I kind of want to tint the color of the hair. I normally don't do this, but I think I want to do this today. Going in with my powder, because some people tone the knots. I'm gonna just go in with my glue. Don't have much of it, but I just ordered some more from her little Black Friday sale. So we're gonna just dab it where we're gonna want it on our face. So this is how I'm going to create the hairline, because you guys know I don't have any hair. Ooh. Lay it like as flat as you can. And then once it's clear, that's when we're gonna go in and set it, okay? So this side is a little more clear, so we're gonna do this side first. I am going to just briefly cut the ear tabs off. This color, gorgeous. Okay, so I got an elastic band, and I'm gonna just like treat my hair. Not anything crazy, but I'm gonna spot it. The longer you let this sit on your hair, of course, the better. But I'm trying to figure out like how I want it. Normally I go for like a bust down middle part, but I think today, like, I don't know. It's like maybe I could do a side part, because it's like something that I normally wouldn't do. Starting to think middle, bust down, start. Oh, be right back, I don't know. I just straightened the hair. It looks good. I don't think I want to go with like baby hairs, but what I do want to do is just lightly like cut the bottom so it's more of like a straighter or the hair looks healthier. Because you guys know how some of these blonde ends be a little rat-tat-tatty. So the hair is straightened beautifully. It's still very thick. So it's like, I don't know. It's like thick. We're gonna just cut it a bit. Just so it's like nice and pretty. Now we got just a little front layer. Not anything drastic, but real slight. I could go in and brown my roots, but I kind of don't want to. I love this hair. It's been a minute since I've had like blonde hair and I'm here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a super quick install, no baby hairs. Everything looks really good. When it comes to like blondes or 613s, I don't be trying to do too much because it's already like not natural, but I don't try to do too much. I feel like this is gorgeous. I just, you know, cut it a bit because sometimes with blonde hair, it can look brittle. So when you just give it a fresh little cut, it just makes it so gorgeous. So I absolutely adore this hair. Know that I'm not gonna experience any tangling because this is like a straight texture. When I washed it and let it air dry, it just completely bone straight. I did need to straighten it, but it took me like 5 minutes. Like I didn't have to take tiny sections. I just took big sections and then flat ironed it. So I love how easy, low maintenance this hairstyle is going to be. And I love the length. Y'all knew that I cut it a bit just because, you know, sometimes with blonde hair, the ends are a little ratty. So when you give it a nice fresh cut, it just makes it look so nice and healthy. You guys are gonna see this on my page a lot. Whenever you do see it on my hair, I'll probably have glued it down because I love it. The next time I install this wig, I do want to do like a part to the side with like some curls, but I really didn't have all the time today because we're just about to go out and have like a family day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely adore it. I feel like it's really nice. It took the color beautifully. So if you're like not into like a platinum, but you want a 613 hair that you can manipulate color or make it custom how you like it, definitely you guys would absolutely adore this hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.